Bring back Captain Nagase. Don't make us have to give her a posthumous 2-rank promotion.
We've succeeded in tracking down Captain K. Nagase's distress beacon. We will now launch a combat search and rescue operation for the captain. Captain Nagase is currently on the run from an enemy patrol. Although she's being pursued, her distress beacon is still broadcasting. This transmission is extremely weak, so we cannot confirm her location unless we get closer to the source of the signal. Follow the signal to find Captain Nagase's concealed location as quickly as possible. Once you find her, report her location to the Sea Goblin Helicopter Squadron. The helicopter search and rescue team is expected to face stiff opposition from enemy air and ground forces. After the helicopter team picks up Captain Nagase, provide air support for them as they airlift her out.
Which plane am I going up?
Captain, which plane should I use? We're launching with this formation then?
War Dog, launch.
This emergency locator beacon is our connection to Nagase. Let's hurry up and find her. Hang in there, Nagase! Roger, leave it to me. Pay attention to the changes in the signal's pitch and tempo.
Right. I'll try to get a bearing that has a better response.
Kid, do you understand how to view the distress signal sensor on your HUD? Okay, just checking. Make sure you don't miss Nagase's signal.
I'm okay. I can keep going.
Hey, Blaze! Did you see someone below us just now? I thought I saw someone moving. Maybe it was just my imagination.
She's somewhere down there in that snowy field.
Nagase's got nothing but a handgun on her.
We haven't seen the pilot from above either. Nothing on the infrared. We can't see anything in this forest. He's probably only got a pistol, but be careful.
I'll be all right. No Blaze will come for me.
Missile hit!
This is Chopper! I did it! Enemy shot down!
Recapture the downed pilot before the enemy rescues him. Enemy planes above. You see them?
Protect Blaze. I'm the one being protected. This place is too wide open. I better hide.
It looks like there's just one of them on the run.
Blaze just shot one down.
I'm okay. I almost tripped on something. I'm climbing up a hill right now. I'll try to observe enemy movements.
Nagase will notice our engine noise? Yeah, let's use this sound to boost her morale.
Several dozen enemy soldiers. They're about 300 yards east of here.
Are they here to rescue their down buddy?
Damn it! I can't see where she is with all these trees.
Please. I knew they were coming for me. I know it. Enemies inside the forest, too. They're coming this way.
Chopper and Kid, I'm gonna split off and search, okay? Roger, I'm splitting off.
I found footprints this way.
I can hear voices. Enemy soldiers are in the area.
Sea Goblin to War Dog Leader. I'm honing in on your signal. The signal's changing. Looks like you're gradually getting closer to Captain Nagase.
That's a jammer craft!
It's being jammed!
11 o'clock! Something just moved in the forest! We need the enemy pilot alive!
They'll find me here. I have to go deeper in.
The captain shot down a bandit! Archer, firing! Captain Nagase, can you hear me? I can't relax until I hear your voice.
That Yuke soldier went right by me. I saw his legs walking past.
The signal's getting stronger. Nagase's around here somewhere. We don't have any time! The enemy's right there!
I've heard that engine sound before. Blaze, is that you?
Response up and increasing. She's right around here.
Blaze!
This is Sea Goblin. War Dog, have you found her? Roger. Good job. You have good eyes. We'll move in for the rescue. While we're on our way, eliminate those enemy fighters for us. We need to make sure this place is safe.
I'll shoot down every single plane that comes near the helicopter.
Whoa! Whoa! There's still enemies on the ground!
Don't worry. We'll take your princess back to base safely.
You do that, and I'll worship you guys.
Did you find Captain Nagase?
This is Sea Goblin. We're moving to the scene as fast as we can. Let me know when you've confirmed Captain Nagase's position.
Hurry up, guys! What are you gonna do if the enemy catches her?
Calm down. We're going as fast as we can.
The captain shot down the enemy. Chopper, firing! Enemy fighters! They're coming this way! Firing!
Enemy plane has been down. Don't take any chances. You'll get shot down yourselves.
We'll just have to count on you if that happens.
Over here. I'm the one you want. Bastards! I'm not letting you near that copter.
Hey, so this Captain Nagase, is she a looker?
Why don't you rescue her and see for yourself?
If she's hot, I'm asking her out.
Well then, you can find out how tough her guard is, too. Come on, just hurry up, will you? Please?
6 miles. Kobold, you deal with the pursuing units. I'll go save the princess. Enemy force advancing. Can you take them out for us?
Roger that. You take care of the rescue.
Damn, he launched one at me. Whew, I'm safe now.
Nice kill, Captain.
These guys are too good. We can't win if we go head on.
We're gonna have to rely on you on the ground. Pull through for us, okay?
Roger that. You owe me one from yesterday.
4 miles.
Hold on, I got your back.
Is the rescue team back yet? Did they pick her up? Nice kill!
That's definitely her.
can see her flight suit from here.
He's at your 6 o'clock. Break right. Shake him off. Hurry! 2 miles. Sea Goblin arriving at designated point momentarily.
The captain is out of special weapons reserve.
Kids, enemy kill confirmed.
Archer, Fox 2!
All right, prepare to drop. Don't make her wait any longer. Everyone ready? Go, go, go!
Rescue team dropping from helicopter. I was really worried there for a while.
You got a towel? I need to wipe all this sweat off my brow. Say, Blaze, I think that song would be perfect for a time like this, you know? Really? Didn't you say the other day you liked that song, Back of the Coin?
Our combat search and rescue of Captain Nagase was a success. We're having a physician check on her condition right now.
When the rescue team found her, she was holding captive a group of soldiers who were sent in to capture her. Behind her was the helicopter crew that crashed while trying to rescue her. She had saved them, treated their wounds, and hid them in a safe place. I needed to rethink my image of her after this, after seeing her amazing toughness and tenacity. She even managed to obtain a little information from the soldiers she captured. It seems the people of Yuktobania were also beginning to have doubts about their leaders in the current war. And word of Nagase's squadron was getting around, as the force that sunk 2 of their most powerful submarines. The Yuk Army's soldiers had nicknamed them the Demons of Raz Grease. She was obviously very proud of that when she told me about it later. Perhaps her pride was for Captain Bartlett, the man who had trained them, or maybe it was for her current captain. However, nobody in the upper echelons of her own army was proud of them. Bartlett was still missing, and that made his old trainees the subject of suspicion and criticism.